Did you know that certain foods can help balance your hormones and even improve your mood? It might sound surprising, but what you put on your plate each day has a powerful effect on your body's internal chemistry. Whether you're struggling with energy, experiencing mood swings, or finding it hard to manage your weight, the foods you eat could be the key to restoring balance and feeling your best. Hormones act as the body's messengers, traveling through the bloodstream to tissues and organs, regulating nearly every process in your body. From your metabolism and immune function to your appetite and sleep cycles, hormones play a crucial role in keeping everything running smoothly. When your hormones are out of balance, you might notice a range of uncomfortable symptoms: persistent fatigue, unexplained weight changes, irritability, and even trouble sleeping. For many people, these issues seem mysterious or unmanageable, but the answer could be as simple as making a few changes to your daily diet. So why does nutrition matter so much for hormone health? Many hormones are made from nutrients found in food. The right balance of protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals supports the glands that produce your hormones and helps regulate their function. On the flip side, diets high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to the symptoms so many of us struggle with. Let's take a closer look at 7 foods that can help balance your hormones naturally, support your well-being, and help you feel like the best version of yourself. The first hormone-balancing food on our list is fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel. Fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential fats that play a critical role in hormone production and inflammation control. Omega-3s are particularly beneficial for balancing cortisol and adrenaline, the hormones involved in your body's stress response. They also support the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that boosts your mood and helps regulate sleep. Including fatty fish in your diet just 2 to 3 times a week can help stabilize your mood, reduce inflammation, and support your overall hormone health. Next up, we have cruciferous vegetables. Think broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and kale. These vegetables are packed with compounds called indoles, which help the liver process and eliminate excess estrogen from the body. High estrogen levels can lead to symptoms such as bloating, mood swings, and weight gain, especially in women. By supporting estrogen metabolism, cruciferous vegetables help promote hormonal harmony and may even reduce the risk of hormone-related cancers. Try adding a serving of these veggies to your lunch or dinner each day for a natural hormone-balancing boost. Our third food is the humble avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which are essential for making hormones like progesterone and testosterone. They're also packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, including potassium and magnesium, 2 nutrients that help regulate blood sugar and reduce stress hormones. The healthy fats in avocado also help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin E, which further supports hormone production. Whether sliced on toast, blended into smoothies, or tossed in salads, avocados are a delicious way to nourish your hormones. Number 4 on the list is flax seeds. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition, containing both omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, plant compounds that help modulate estrogen levels in the body. Flax seeds can be especially helpful for women experiencing symptoms of hormonal imbalance during menstruation or menopause. Lignans in flax seeds bind to estrogen receptors, helping to balance hormone levels and ease symptoms like hot flashes, irregular periods, and mood swings. Ground flax seeds are the most easily absorbed, so try sprinkling a tablespoon over your oatmeal, yogurt, or salads. The 5th food is berries: blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Berries are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. They help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which can interfere with hormone production and signaling. Their high fiber content also supports healthy digestion and stable blood sugar, which is vital for keeping insulin, one of your body's key hormones, in check. Regularly eating a variety of berries can help protect your hormonal health, boost your immune system, and provide a sweet, satisfying snack without excess sugar. Coming in at number 6, we have eggs, one of nature's most complete and versatile foods. Eggs are packed with high-quality protein, healthy fats, and vital nutrients like vitamin D, choline, and B vitamins. These nutrients are essential for the production of key hormones, including estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone. Vitamin D, in particular, acts like a hormone in the body and is crucial for thyroid health and immune function. Eating eggs, especially with the yolk, provides your body with the building blocks it needs for balanced hormone production. And now, the most surprising food on our list: fermented foods like yogurt, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kefir. While you might not immediately think of gut health when you think of hormones, the two are deeply connected. The gut microbiome helps regulate the metabolism and elimination of hormones such as estrogen and cortisol. An imbalance in gut bacteria can lead to hormonal disruptions that manifest as skin issues, mood swings, and even cravings. Fermented foods are rich in probiotics, the beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut environment. By eating fermented foods regularly, you can foster a balanced gut microbiome, improve digestion, and indirectly support healthy hormone levels throughout your entire body. To recap, here are the 7 foods that can help you balance your hormones. Fatty fish, which supply anti-inflammatory omega-3s for stress and mood regulation. Cruciferous vegetables, which help your body process and eliminate excess estrogen. Avocado, packed with healthy fats and nutrients that support hormone production. Flax seeds, a source of phytoestrogens and omega-3s to help modulate estrogen levels. Berries loaded with antioxidants and fiber to reduce inflammation and keep blood sugar stable. Eggs providing essential protein, vitamins, and minerals for overall hormone synthesis. Fermented foods, which nurture your gut microbiome, a crucial player in hormone regulation. Each of these foods brings unique benefits to the table, working together to support your body's natural ability to maintain hormonal balance. By making small, sustainable changes to your diet, you can experience more energy, a better mood, and improved overall health. If you're ready to start feeling your best and take control of your hormone health, consider adding these foods to your daily meals. Remember, balance is key. Focus on variety and whole, natural foods whenever possible. And if you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on nutrition, wellness, and living your healthiest life.